Welcome to OpsHub's blog series. We enable you to make better decisions. Enterprises during complex verification processes find it challenging to have easy access to information, real-time visibility, risk compliance, and better collaboration between teams. Information silos lead to poor visibility and disconnect between product management, quality assurance, and verification teams. This in turn impacts productivity, leading to poor quality products and delayed delivery. Integrating Cadence vManager with DOORS next generation using OpsHub Integration Manager (OIM) breaks information silos between teams and helps gain transparency, cross-system traceability, improved communication between teams, and data-driven risk evaluation and validation. OIM integrates Cadence vManager and DOORS NG bidirectionally and preserves all historical and current data for each user in their preferred system in real time. Let's take a look at the demo. The product team starts by adding a feature requirement in DOORS NG, which is being used by the DRAM team, gives it a content, name, and saves it. The product team adds a description under the same feature requirement and saves it. The systems architect looks at the feature requirement and adds verification requirements under the feature requirement. Under the first verification requirement, the systems architect adds a content, name, and saves it. These are the verifications that the systems architect wants the verification team to perform. The systems architect goes ahead and adds the second verification requirement, similarly gives it a content, name, and saves it. Here in DOORS NG, we have a feature requirement which needs to be verified under both the verification requirements. Navigating to vManager, here the verification team resyncs to view the latest requirements. Here in vManager, we can see all the three requirements which were added in DOORS NG. The verification team now goes ahead and adds two test cases, one under each verification requirement. The verification team in vManager has started working on both the verification requirements by adding the planned test cases. Back in DOORS NG, the product team refreshes the page to view the recently added planned tests. The product team can view both the planned tests, which are linked to their respective verification requirements. The product team now reviews the test cases and adds additional details to one of the verification requirement. The product team updates the description, modifies the status to under review, and saves the changes. Back in vManager, the verification team resyncs to view the changes made in DOORS NG. The verification team looks at the newly added details and updated status, and accordingly will add one more test case. The newly created test case will sync back to DOORS NG. Back in DOORS NG, the product team refreshes the page to view the recently added test case. The test case is visible here, and the product team now re-verifies the test. Upon completion, the product team changes the status of the requirements as approved, signaling the verification team that testing can be started. This completes phase 1 of the demo, where we saw how product team, systems architect, and verification team collaborated effectively on requirement definition. The real-time updates help the team reduce risk associated with test cases written on older requirement definition. In the second phase, we will showcase similar collaboration between teams during the testing phase to obtain verification results. The systems architect and product team from their respective tools, DOORS NG for DRAM in this demo, can view the results and ensure all compliances are met. Switching to vManager, here the verification team will start executing tests and attach test results in all the tests. Before proceeding, the verification team maps some regression sessions to these tests. Once the verification team maps the sessions with the planned tests, it goes ahead and clicks on grade analysis. This is a tickle script that is provided as part of OpsHub vManager sync solution. Once the grade analysis is complete, the verification team resyncs to get the results. Here we can view all the coverage and test data. Back in DOORS-NG, the product team refreshes the page to view the test results. The updated results are reflecting here. The product team goes ahead and verifies the results and coverage and finds the results as expected. Therefore, the product team in DOORS-NG will not take any further action. We saw how integrating vManager with other tools can allow teams to seamlessly collaborate with each other without having to go out of their tool and while ensuring everyone is looking at latest copy of requirements and results. This completes the demo. Thanks for watching. Integrating Cadence vManager with other tools using OIM improves productivity for organizations by minimizing manual intervention and errors. To know more about OpsHub's integration solutions, visit our website.